Hi and welcome to my channel, The JS Ninja. So in this mini series, we will be building an authentication system using React and Firebase. So let's just jump into the code, and in this video, we will be setting up our project using Create React app. So let's just jump into the code. So let's open the terminal, and we will be using Create React app to start our project. So let me just go into the directory. And here I'll do create React app, and I will use this to create the project, and let's name it React Firebase Auth. And let's just wait for it to finish completing setting up our project. Awesome, so our project is ready. So let's open the project in Visual Studio Code. So I'll be using Visual Studio Code for coding, and I hope you guys also use this because this is a very awesome software and it is free. So I'll be using this, and let me just open the terminal. So, and let's just remove all those files which we won't be using, like these test files, service workers, and all of that stuff, right? So let's remove that, right? So I'll be using rm source. I don't want app.css. Okay, I don't want app.test, and I also don't want logo as well, source logo, and I also don't want the service worker file. Great, and I also don't want the setup test file. So let's just remove all these. Awesome, that's cool. So this is our project currently with Create React app. So let's just set up our Firebase project as well. So let's go and create the Firebase project. So let's go to the website console.firebase.google.com. So here you have to use your Gmail ID to log in. And once you're logged in, we will be creating our Firebase project. So let's do that. So we quickly create a new project, create an add project, and let's name it React Firebase Auth. Awesome. And we don't need this, so don't enable Google Analytics for your project. If you want to, you can enable it, but let's just remove it, and it will take some time to create a project. So let's just wait for a second. Great, so our project is ready. So let's click on continue, and it will open the newly created project for me. Awesome. So here we have to select which app we are going to build. We will be using building the web application. So let's click on this web thing, and let's again give a nickname to our app. It will be React Firebase Auth, the same thing. And I don't want the hosting right now. So if you want hosting, you can just click this button, checkbox, and let's just quickly set up our app. And once it's done, it will basically give me some details. We just require this configuration part. We just copy it, and we'll go inside a project. Inside a source folder, we'll create a new file, firebase.js, and we will paste this over here. This part we will be needing, this config thing, and for a project. So let's just change this to const, and let's save it. And let me just add my prettier RC file as well, .prettier. So by the way, I have configured my Visual Studio Code to identify prettier RC file. If there is one, then my code will automatically prettified on save. So I also use this settings, single quotes equals to true. And if I go here and if I save, it will automatically prettify my code for me, right? So I also want to install the Firebase SDK. So we'll do npm I Firebase. So we'll use this Firebase SDK as well. So let's just install it and wait for it to finish downloading. Awesome, so my Firebase package is downloaded now, and let's just close this. And here in this firebase.js file, I am basically initializing my Firebase application over here, right? So let's just import Firebase as well from here. So we'll say import Firebase from Firebase/app. So now I have imported Firebase, and I'm initializing my app. So I just want to tell you guys one more thing, that index.css file, I have put some of the styles, the classes which I'll be using in this series. So just go and download this index.css file from the GitHub repo. I'll link the GitHub repo down below in the description box. So if you like the video, smash that thumbs up button and also subscribe to my channel. The next video will be coming out tomorrow.